welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. Please don't forget to check out any of my other videos that I've recently uploaded, and there are going to be some cards on the top right hand screen where I'm going to be just featuring one of my newer videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. You can also email me if you guys are having any technical issues with your devices or any of your devices, and I can see if I can help you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your font larger and smaller on Windows 10. So let's get started. So we're going to want to go to the type here search, and from here we're going to write ease of access. Doesn't really matter which one. We'll just go to keyboard since it's the first one that comes up. And then here you'll see on the left hand side, vision, hearing, interaction. So we're going to want to stay in the top section here, and we're going to want to left click the very first one, display. And from here we can drag how big the lettering is. So as we drag it, you can see that the text, the sample text, is getting bigger. So let's say I want the text to be, let's say 200%. So this is how big it'll be. So once I hit apply, then all this text that didn't change will now. So if I hit apply, and then now you can see that it's much bigger. Or if you think this is too big, you can also just go smaller. You can go back to 100%. If we hit apply, then it'll go back to normal. You can also zoom in on the display just like that, and then change the brightness as well, but we're going to leave it at 100%. And we're going to go back to 100. And that's basically it. Just play around with the text and see what you're most comfortable with. I know that my parents, they like obviously the text a little bit bigger because they're getting a little bit older now. So personally, I think my dad would probably like it around, honestly, probably like a 160. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's nice and big and bold, but you'll just have to play around with it and see what you like. That's basically it. Thanks guys for watching. How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.